Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Every Day. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jane. Today we're talking about something super exciting: how to improve your English speaking skills overnight.
Overnight, Jane? That sounds like a dream. This morning I was trying to learn a new recipe and it took me almost an hour just to chop the vegetables correctly. I wished I could become a chef overnight.
Right? Me too. I was thinking about my workout this morning. I wish I could get super strong overnight. But things take time. So improve your English speaking skills overnight sounds a bit tricky, right?
It does. But maybe it means fast progress, like not truly one night, but a quick change if you do the right things.
Exactly. It's about smart steps, small actions that can give you big results quickly. It's not magic, but it feels like magic when you see the change.
Okay, I'm ready for some of that fast change magic. What's the first smart step, Jane?
All right, my first tip for feeling like you're improving overnight is to talk to yourself in English. Yes, it sounds funny, but it works.
Talk to yourself? You mean like out loud?
Yes, out loud. When you're making coffee, say, "I am making coffee. The water is hot. I need a cup." When you're walking, describe what you see. "I see a big tree. There is a small dog." This helps you use words fast.
That's actually a great idea. I do that sometimes without even thinking. Like when I lose my keys, I say, "Where are my keys? Where did I put them?"
Perfect. Now do it on purpose, more often, and think about simple things around you. It's free practice, and you're always available.
Haha, that's true. I'm always available for myself. Okay, my turn for a tip. This one is about using English for daily tasks.
Oh, tell me more. How can we do that without, making a big deal out of it?
Easy. Think about your shopping list. Instead of writing milk, bread, eggs, try to write, "I need to buy some fresh milk, a loaf of bread, and a dozen eggs." Or when you plan your day, think, "First, I will have breakfast. Then I will check my email and go to work."
Oh, I see. So instead of just the words, you make little sentences. That feels much more like real English, like you're training your brain to think in English.
Exactly. It's like you're not just learning words, you're learning how they connect. It's a small change, but it adds up quickly.
Okay, my next tip is super important if you want to speak overnight faster. Find a speaking partner or a language exchange group.
A partner? Yes, because talking to yourself is good, but talking to a real person is even better, right?
Absolutely. Even if it's just for 10 or 15 minutes a day, talking with someone helps you use English in a real situation. You have to listen, understand, and then answer. It's active practice.
And don't be shy. Many people are also learning English, so they understand. You can find partners online, or maybe a friend who also wants to practice.
Yes, remember, everyone makes mistakes, and that's okay. The goal is to speak, not to be perfect from the start.
That's a great point. My next tip is about listening and repeating. We call it shadowing.
Shadowing? Like a secret agent?
Haha, not exactly. It means you listen to English, maybe a short podcast, a YouTube video, or a simple news report, and then you try to repeat what you hear, exactly like the speaker, right after them.
Oh, I see. So if I hear "How are you today?" I say "How are you today?" right away, trying to sound the same.
Exactly. It helps you with pronunciation, rhythm, and the speed of natural English. It makes your mouth muscles stronger for English.
That's clever. It's like practice for your tongue and your ears at the same time.
It really is. And you can do it with short sentences first, then longer ones. It's like a warm-up for speaking.
Okay, my next tip might sound a little bit scary, but it's very helpful. Record yourself speaking English.
Record myself? Oh, I don't really like my voice on recordings.
I know, right? It feels strange. But listen, when you record yourself for, let's say, 1 minute describing your day or telling a short story and then you listen back, you can hear yourself clearly.
And then I can hear my mistakes?
Yes, you can hear words you say wrong, or places where you speak too slowly, or maybe where you stop and think too much. It's like being your own teacher. You can find things to improve.
That's actually very smart. It gives you a clear picture of your speaking, doesn't it?
Exactly. You can improve overnight because you get immediate feedback from yourself.
Okay, here's another great tip. Focus on learning phrases, not just single words.
Oh, this is a big one. I always tell people this. Don't just learn hello. Learn how are you doing or nice to meet you.
Right. Because in real conversation, we use groups of words, not just one word at a time. Like instead of just rain, you might hear, "It's raining cats and dogs," or "The rain is pouring down."
That makes your English sound much more natural and fluent. You don't have to put words together in your head, you already know the common phrase.
Yes, it's like having ready-made parts for your sentences. It speeds up your speaking a lot.
Okay, Kevin, what's our last and maybe most important tip for improving English speaking overnight?
The most important tip, Jane, is don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Oh yes, this is so true. I think many people are scared to speak because they worry about making a mistake. But everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers sometimes.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning. Imagine a baby learning to walk. They fall down many times, but they don't stop trying because they made a mistake, right?
No, they keep going, and then they learn to walk and run. It's the same with English speaking. The more you try, the more confident you become, and the faster you improve.
So just speak, even if it's not perfect. The goal is to communicate, to be understood.
Okay, that was a lot of great advice, Kevin. To recap, it's not truly overnight magic, but making progress super fast. What were the key ideas again?
Right. We talked about talking to yourself in English, using English for daily tasks like lists, finding a speaking partner, listening and repeating what you hear, recording yourself to find mistakes, learning phrases instead of just single words, and most important, not being afraid to make mistakes.
Wow, those are all really practical and easy to start right away. Anyone can do these things, and they add up quickly.
They sure do. It's all about building small, good habits and then watching your English speaking improve step by step, which can feel like overnight progress.
Absolutely. We want to hear from you now. What is one small thing you will try today to practice your English speaking? Maybe you'll talk to yourself while making breakfast, or write your shopping list in English.
Yes, let us know in the comments below. We love reading your ideas and hearing about your progress.
If you found these tips helpful, please give this episode a big like.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Practice Every Day for more easy English tips and conversations.
You can also share this with a friend who is also learning English and wants to improve their speaking skills fast.
Thanks for joining us today, Jane. This was a great chat.
Thank you, Kevin, and thank you all for listening and for practicing your English with us. Keep speaking.
See you next time on The Best Way.